In a world where performance is measured not only by speed, but by presence, one machine stands apart. This is not just a car, it is a statement. Introducing the Audi TT, redefined through the aggressive philosophy of ABT Sportsline. A perfect balance of German engineering, motorsport DNA, and modern design. From the very first glance, the Audi TT ABT commands attention. Finished in a stealthy matte black, its body is sharpened with bold red accents that trace every aerodynamic line. Each detail has a purpose. Each curve tells a story of speed, control, and precision. This is a coupe designed not to blend in, but to dominate its surroundings. At the front, the aggressive honeycomb grille sits low and wide, proudly wearing the ABT badge, a symbol of performance heritage. Slim LED headlights cut through the air with a sharp, focused gaze, giving the car a predatory expression. The front splitter, highlighted in red, emphasizes the car's low stance, visually anchoring it to the road. This is design driven by performance, not decoration. Move to the side, and the Audi TT's iconic silhouette becomes even more striking. The low roofline flows effortlessly into muscular rear shoulders, creating a compact yet powerful profile. Red accented side skirts enhance the sense of motion, even when the car stands still. Large black alloy wheels with red rim detailing fill the arches perfectly, hinting at the grip and control beneath. This is a machine built for corners, for speed, for drivers who demand more. At the rear, the design reaches its peak. Sharp LED taillights glow with precision, framing a sculpted rear end that feels both aggressive and refined. The performance diffuser, finished with red trim, adds a motorsport-inspired edge, while dual exhaust outlets promise a sound that matches the car's visual intensity. Every angle confirms it. This Audi TT ABT is engineered to leave a lasting impression. But true performance is not only about what you see, it's about what you feel. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts instantly. The interior welcomes you with a driver-focused cockpit, wrapped in black Alcantara and premium leather, stitched with bold red accents. The flat-bottom steering wheel sits perfectly in your hands, reinforcing the connection between driver and machine. Ahead, the digital virtual cockpit displays critical information with clarity and precision, placing complete control at your fingertips. Carbon fiber trim flows across the dashboard and center console, adding a lightweight, race-inspired feel. Sport bucket seats hold you firmly in place, designed to support aggressive driving while maintaining comfort for longer journeys. Subtle ambient red lighting glows throughout the cabin, creating a mood that feels both luxurious and adrenaline-filled. This is not just an interior, it's a command center. Every drive becomes an experience. Every turn feels sharper. Every acceleration feels intentional. The Audi TT ABT is engineered to respond instantly, delivering confidence through balance, power, and control. Whether carving through city streets or opening up on the open road, the car remains composed, focused, and thrilling. This is where technology meets emotion. The Audi TT ABT is more than a performance coupe, it is a reflection of individuality. It speaks to those who refuse to settle for stock, who demand personalization, precision, and presence. It's for drivers who understand that true luxury is not excess, but execution. In front of the ABT performance facility, surrounded by bold red and black architecture, the car feels perfectly at home. It belongs in a world of speed, engineering, and innovation. A world where limits are challenged and expectations are rewritten. This is not a car made for everyone. This is a car made for those who dare to stand out. Audi TT ABT, engineered with purpose, designed with attitude, driven by passion.